Usually, I just stuck my paint brush into this color. Usually I do the light colors first, because otherwise it gets all muddy when I eventually do the light colors. So let's do that now. We'll see how this comes out. I'm doing these paintings because I'm going to end up abandoning them just so that people can find art and I don't know, have a pick-me-up to their day. So I just use small paintings for that. But this is actually coming out pretty nice because if you look at it, it's a nice background. And what I've done is I've used all the colors that I'm going to use in my painting in the background, so none of the colors are going to look out of place. There you go. That's kind of a nice background. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take some liquid. I don't know. I'm just going to kind of create a quick painting. I'm going to take some liquid acrylics that are the same colors as my background paints. So we have the teal, we got the cadmium yellow medium, we got the turquoise phthalo, and just going to play around. We're going to make different, let me see what I got here. Okay, so this is called a wedge. It's kind of a bendy material, and I'm just going to, I'm creating an abstract painting. You just kind of want to be creative with it. Wipe it off maybe in between. Some phthalo blue. I love phthalo turquoise. All right, when that dries, it's going to look pretty cool. Wipe this off, go wash off my tools, and then that'll just be continue on in the layers. We'll do other stuff over this, stuff over that. Some of the things will be covered up, some of the things will end up on top, and you'll see after a while multiple layers of just really cool elements that make up a really nice painting. So now it's a matter of just adding to it, adding different elements and playing around. Let's see, what am I going to do first? I'm going to use a palette knife first, I guess, and just kind of add different, I call the different things on a painting elements. I don't know why, because they're elements of interest. And I love texture.